I give
Hello,
my
good
hand to
morning
you.
everyone. Update muna tayo sa mga estudyante for today. Ayan,
I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start.
nakakatuwa mga
You
bata.
and I will
Excited
never be
pumasok.
apart. My dreams came true.
Yun si Ryan. Aurora, yes,
Because
Miss Tita.
of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, and there is nothing I would not give from this moment on.
And guys, excited pa mga bata ngayon pumasok. Yung iba excited, yung iba baka ngayon lang masipag. Sana whole year masipag sila. Ang dami nila guys. Okay, that's all for today. Ang video na to. Nagpa-plug ano ba yun? Ceremony. Ayan, may late pa. Late na si Ineng. Sige na guys, bye! Yan nag-aaral ang aking mga Junakis.